I'm going to show you how to change language in Mozilla Firefox. First, we need to go to the upper right corner and choose Settings. Now, when in the Settings, we have to scroll down a bit to the Language section right here, and as you can see, there is the English chosen. So we have to go to search for more languages. Let's add maybe the German. So let's go for Deutsch. Click Add. Now I have to confirm it by clicking OK. And you have to make sure it's the first on the list. Now everything has been translated to German. Let's check here. Also in the search bar here and search bar here, you've got German language. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.